All right, let's jump straight in. Today, we're literally ditching the paper trails and stepping right into the future of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Welcome to this explainer. We're going to unpack a really incredible, comprehensive certification program that's designed to take pharma professionals from those traditional, legacy processes straight into the cutting-edge digital era. We're exploring the entire blueprint of the MES Implementation Manager for Pharma 4.0 certification. But first, we really have to ask this critical question. How on earth does the pharma industry actually bridge that massive gap between traditional manufacturing and the digital future? I mean, pharma manufacturing isn't just making widgets, right? It's incredibly complex. You're dealing with strictly enforced compliance rules, massive data integrity requirements, and clunky legacy systems. So moving from those isolated paper-heavy processes to connected, intelligent systems, well, it's not just a software upgrade. It is a complete operational overhaul. Okay, let's dive into this. The answer to that giant dilemma, it's Pharma 4.0. Now, that's not just some industry buzzword. It's all about integrating advanced technologies. We're talking artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and serious data analytics right into the very heart of pharmaceutical manufacturing. The ultimate goal here is to drastically enhance efficiency, ensure bulletproof product quality, and promote strict regulatory compliance. And to help professionals actually navigate all this, the Center of Excellence built the specific structured certification program we are examining today. To give you an idea of how this explainer will unfold, here is our quick roadmap for today. We're going to break this whole thing down into 6 parts: the context, the blueprint, the build, the rules, the future, and finally, your certification journey. So, let's kick things off with Section 1, the context, the Pharma 4.0 revolution. You know, before we even touch the technology, we have to talk about the brains behind it. Dr. Jayant Joshi designed this program for the Center of Excellence, and get this, he brings over 35 years of extensive, hands-on experience in the pharmaceutical industry to the table. So we're not talking textbook theory here. We're talking decades of real-world operational excellence that has been perfectly distilled into a structured learning path. And what's brilliant is how the course accommodates the entire pharmaceutical workforce. Think of it kind of like layers of a cake. If you're a fresher or a brand new digital team member, you start right at the basic level, focusing on terminology and workflows. If you're in quality assurance or IT, you hit the advanced level for process mapping. And if you are a plant head or project manager, you're diving into the expert level, dealing with enterprise strategy and global rollouts. You instantly know exactly where your role fits into the ecosystem. Moving right along, let's look at Section 2, the blueprint, strategy and solution design. The very first step in this blueprint is really nailing down the why. Module 1 literally forces learners to look at the massive, disconnected headache of manual, paper-based manufacturing and contrast it with the streamlined reality of digital manufacturing execution, or MES. I mean, you can't just go out and buy an MES because it sounds cool. You have to build a rock-solid business case for it. That means identifying real business drivers, like drastically reducing batch cycle times or improving yields, and presenting a clear, undeniable return on investment. And once that business case gets the green light, Module 2 gets you right into the weeds of solution design. This is where learners master translating those incredibly complex GXP compliance needs into a concrete user requirement specification, or URS. You learn how to write highly detailed user stories for things like batch execution. You design role-based access controls so only the right people have the right permissions. And you tie the whole shebang together with a requirement traceability matrix to ensure every single compliance need is met by a tech solution. Okay, on to Section 3, the build, implementation, and integration. Let's move to and see how this builds, because obviously you don't just flip a magic switch and turn on an MES. The project lifecycle moves incredibly carefully from initiation to system design into the build phase, followed by rigorous testing, validation, and finally deployment. It is a highly controlled methodology. Master these exact sequential phases, and you ensure absolutely zero disruptions to critical pharma operations. And here's the kicker. An MES does not work in isolation. It's like the hub of a wheel. It sits right at the center of your digital ecosystem, integrating securely with your enterprise resource planning system, the ERP for production orders, your laboratory information management system, the LIMS for sample testing, and directly with shop floor devices like your weighing scales and barcode scanners. It's all about creating one seamless digital thread. All right, moving to Section 4, the rules, compliance, and batch records. Now, we all know in pharma, compliance is absolutely non-negotiable, period. So this module is where we unpack the heavy-hitting concepts of compliance by design. You'll master the ALCOA Plus principles to guarantee your data is attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. You'll learn how to implement completely secure electronic signatures and design robust audit trails that track exactly who did what, when, and why. Plus, you get a deep dive into the validation docs, the IQ, OQ, and PQ to prove to regulators your system is airtight. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is a concept called review by exception. This is an absolute game changer. Instead of QA teams spending literal days agonizing over hundreds of pages of perfectly normal paper records, the MES simply flags the deviations and abnormal events. QA focuses strictly on the exceptions. This one specific configuration drastically reduces batch cycle times and speeds up getting critical medicines out to the market. Which brings us to Section 5. The future, change management, and adoption. You know, the absolute best blueprint or software in the world is completely useless if your team refuses to use it. Fact. An MES fundamentally disrupts how an operator does their daily work. It's a massive culture shock. This module teaches you how to handle the human element. You learn to identify stakeholder resistance, build critical super user networks, and create training matrices to ensure the project actually succeeds in the real world. But how do you know if it's actually working? Well, leadership needs hard data. After you go live, you monitor login frequencies, track transaction completion, watch the trends and exceptions, and measure training and batch review times. These key performance indicators are basically the pulse check of your whole digital transformation. They prove whether the shift is actually taking hold on the factory floor. And once that MES is adopted and humming along, it paves the way for the really futuristic stuff. Digital twins. By combining your MES data with historian logs and quality metrics, you can create a virtual simulation of your physical manufacturing process. This unlocks advanced AI implementation and continuous Pharma 4.0 improvement without ever putting the actual physical product at risk. It's amazing. Finally, let's hit Section 6, your certification journey, the mechanics. So the crucial point is how you actually progress through the program. It's a strictly lockstep flow. You can't just skip ahead. First, you digest the module content. Then you absolutely must submit a real-world project report. That project is rigorously evaluated, and only then do you unlock the multiple-choice assessment test. Pass that, and you earn your module certificate. It guarantees true comprehension at every single stage. And listen, there are 0 free passes here. The 10-question multiple-choice assessments for each module demand a minimum passing score of 70%. This really highlights the prestige and the rigor of the program. It ensures that anyone holding this certificate has genuinely mastered the complex world of MES strategy, compliance, and change management. But if you put in the work, submitting all 5 real-world projects and passing every single module assessment, you get the ultimate payoff for your career. The designation of Certified MES Implementation Manager for Pharma 4.0. It's a credential that proves you have the true end-to-end expertise to lead a massive digital transformation in one of the most complex industries on Earth. We've seen how this incredible program takes you all the way from building a basic business case right up to deploying digital twins and managing human resistance. The tools, the structure, and the exact blueprint are all laid out by the Center of Excellence. It is a complete transformational roadmap. So my final question for you is simply this. Are you ready to take the next step and become a true Pharma 4.0 leader? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.